Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips and reviews. Today, we're diving into the Fortiva credit card, a card designed for those looking to rebuild their credit. But is it worth it? Let's find out. The Fortiva credit card is marketed as a solution for people with less than perfect credit. It doesn't require a security deposit, which sets it apart from many other credit building cards. But here's the big question. Does it truly deliver on its promise? First, let's talk about the features. The Fortiva credit card offers no security deposit, a credit limit of up to $1,000 depending on your credit worthiness, monthly reporting to all three major credit bureaus, helping you build or rebuild credit. Sounds good so far, right? But there's a catch, or a few actually. Let's dive into the fees because this is where the Fortiva card gets tricky. There's an annual fee that ranges from $49 to $175 in the first year. On top of that, there's monthly maintenance fee of up to $12.50, which kicks in after your first year. And don't forget the high interest rate. It can soar over 30% APR. These fees can add up quickly, so if you don't pay off your balance in full each month, the Fortiva credit card could cost you a lot more than it helps. That said, if you are in a pinch and can't qualify for other cards, Fortiva might work as a temporary tool to build credit. Just make sure you use it responsibly. Here is a pro tip. Keep your balance low and pay it off in full each month to avoid extra charge. So is the Fortiva credit card worth it? That depends on your situation. If you have no other options, it's a stepping stone, but if you're looking for a more affordable way to rebuild your credit, consider secured cards like the Discover It, Secured, or Capital One Platinum Secured. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.